Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best 2-in-1 laptops you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The HP Spectre X360 is a premium 2-in-1 convertible laptop, blending style, performance, and versatility. It features an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, 16GB RAM, and a 1TB SSD, ideal for productivity and content creation. Its 2.8K OLED touchscreen, with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 support, delivers vibrant visuals. The laptop's all-metal design emphasizes a sleek aesthetic, with a strong screen-to-body ratio. Connectivity includes Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4. Enhanced security is provided by a fingerprint reader and IR camera. With a 68 watt-hours battery, backlit keyboard, and high-quality webcam, it offers an excellent user experience. The LG Gram Pro is a lightweight high-performance device blending portability and versatility. It features a 16-inch OLED touchscreen with vibrant colors and a 360-degree hinge for seamless transitions between modes. Powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, 32GB RAM, and a 2TB SSD, it excels in multitasking and demanding tasks. With stylus support, Wi-Fi 6E, multiple connectivity ports, Windows 11 Home, and military-grade durability, it's ideal for creative and professional use. Boasting up to 20 hours of battery life, it offers exceptional portability and performance, catering to productivity and entertainment needs alike. The ASUS Zenbook Duo is an innovative dual-screen laptop designed to maximize productivity and creativity. It features two 14-inch OLED 3K touch displays with 120Hz refresh rates, delivering vibrant visuals and an expansive workspace ideal for multitasking and creative work. Powered by an Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor, 32GB RAM, and a 1TB PCIe 4 SSD, it offers exceptional performance for demanding tasks. Integrated Intel Arc graphics support creative workflows, while Wi-Fi 6E, Thunderbolt 4, and Bluetooth 5.3 ensure robust connectivity. With a detachable keyboard, stylus support, and long battery life, the Zenbook Duo excels in versatility and portability. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Titanium Yoga is a premium lightweight 2-in-1 laptop tailored for professionals seeking portability and performance. Its 13.5-inch 2K touchscreen with Dolby Vision and 3:2 aspect ratio offers vibrant visuals and ample vertical space. Powered by an Intel Core i7-1160G7 processor, 16GB RAM, and a 1TB PCIe SSD, it ensures robust multitasking and storage. Features include a 360-degree hinge, stylus support, Wi-Fi 6, and Dolby Atmos speakers. Security is enhanced with ThinkShield, a fingerprint reader, and an IR camera. With up to 11 hours of battery life, it's ideal for work, creativity, and collaboration on the go. The SAMSUNG Galaxy Book3 Pro is a high-performance 2-in-1 laptop combining versatility and power. Featuring a sleek design with a 360-degree hinge, it transitions seamlessly between laptop, tablet, stand, and tent modes. Its 16-inch 3K AMOLED touchscreen delivers vibrant visuals with deep blacks and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB RAM, and a 2TB SSD, it handles multitasking and demanding applications effortlessly. Key features include S Pen support for creativity, Wi-Fi 6E for fast connectivity, robust security with a fingerprint sensor, and Windows 11 Pro, making it ideal for productivity and entertainment.